Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Shopify for order processing efficiency step by step clearly. To start using Shopify for order processing, first, visit the Shopify website. Click on the Start Free Trial button prominently displayed on the homepage. Enter your email address in the provided field. Choose a strong password and confirm it by typing it again. Now, enter the name for your store, keeping in mind it can be changed later. Click the Create Your Store button to proceed. You will be directed to a setup questionnaire asking about your business. Answer the questions regarding your current selling activities and your goals. Select your country and provide your address to comply with sales tax and legal requirements. Once done, click on Enter My Store to access your Shopify dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. On the left sidebar, locate and click on Settings at the bottom. This is where you will set preferences for payment, shipping, and taxes. Go to the Payments section to choose how you want to accept payments. Select your preferred payment methods and follow the prompts to set them up. Next, navigate to the Shipping and Delivery section. Here, you can configure shipping rates and delivery options for your customers. Adjust the settings according to your business model and target market. After configuring your shipping, go to Taxes to ensure compliance with local laws. Now, it's time to add products to your store by clicking on Products in the sidebar. Select Add Product and fill in all necessary details about your item. Include product title, description, price, and high-quality images for better visibility. Once finished, click on Save to add the product to your inventory. Next, click on Online Store in the sidebar to customize your storefront. Choose a theme that represents your brand and fits your product line. Once selected, click on Customize to tweak the appearance and layout. After adjusting your theme, navigate to Settings and then Notifications. Here, set up notifications for order confirmations and shipping updates. Lastly, review your entire setup to ensure everything is configured correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.